We'll go back to what we're going to be talking about today specifically. The actual techniques of self-healing, how they're brought about, how they're applied, what the basic principles are, and we'll be looking at topics such as the source of all illness is unconscious guilt, plus a specific belief system aggravated by suppressed emotions. I'll describe how I myself, utilizing these techniques and these understandings and these basic principles, healed myself of about 20 chronic intractable illnesses which had been totally refractory to traditional medical treatment, including how I let go of wearing glasses after 40 years of wearing glasses. We'll go through it step by step. We'll see how illness is also a result of buying into the collective consciousness and how not to buy into it. How illness comes about as a result of family belief systems. We'll look at the fact that all illnesses are recoverable. There is no order of difficulty, no matter how severe they may sound to anyone.